From integration to data-driven insights, Ozow has created a merchant environment that provides everything they need to manage their payment processes easily. Ozow Hub is our merchant integration center that provides all the information and support required for a frictionless onboarding process. Designed to deliver insights that help merchants make informed decisions, the Merchant Portal enables you to view key payment data in real time. Ozow also provides 24/7 support to both merchants and customers through their preferred channel, whether it be phone call, email, WhatsApp, or our AI chatbot, Odie. We're here to ensure you never miss a purchase or a payout. Our innovative payment solutions are underpinned by world-class security standards. Ozow has a dedicated fraud department constantly monitoring for unusual transactions. We're ISO 27001 compliant, licensed as a third-party payments provider and systems operator. We're also part of the Payments Association of South Africa, and our secure systems follow PCI DSS Level 1 standards. With over 250 million transactions processed and over 88 billion rand in payment value processed to date, Ozow offers a 360-degree payment solution that enables merchants to deliver a seamless payment experience to their customers.